What's up? This is Daniel coming from At Your Service Mobile Detailing and Pool Care. I'm a little over 2 decades into this thing out here. But hey, for you auto detailers out there, let me show you how to make an extra $25, $30, maybe even $50 on doing a basic car wash. When I say a basic car wash, that's wash, vac, wipe down the interior, windows cleaned inside and out. Also, that's, dressing the tires, wiping off the rims, door jams, trunk jams, things like that. So your basic conventional car wash. Tell the customer, hey, I can put a clear coat sealant on your car. It'll help your car wash last a little longer. It'll bring a shine. But the most important thing about a car wash is protecting the paint. So what you do is you get yourself a nice, decent, concentrated spray wax. Not McGuire's from Walmart or anything like that. Get you one that you have to dilute yourself. Wash the car. Get it all, get it all prepped. Wash it. Do whatever you're gonna do. So now after you wash it and rinse the soap off, what you want to do is take your spray wax that's in the bottle, turn the nozzle on a mist. It doesn't have to be the big spray mist, but you want to do it where it comes out more misty than straight. Walk around the car and just mist the whole car while it's wet. The roof, the window, this whole thing. Just squeeze, mist the whole car. You'll start seeing the water beat up. Then take your pressure washer, stand back a little bit, and just mist the car. Don't rinse it, just mist it. You'll start seeing all the water beat up on the car and just run down. Right? Now, that's a clear coat sealant. Now you come back and you dry the car. It'll shine up the windows. When they drive, if it rains, the water will just roll off the window. The next morning when they come outside and it's dewy, the water will be all beaded up. You just made yourself an extra $25 to $50. So a car wash that you went out for like $40, $45 for just turned to almost, anywhere at least $75. And you didn't do anything extra. It's all on the language, and it's how you approach the situation, how you explain it and educate the customer that could be the difference between you having to go do 2 more car washes while making that money at that one. If you got any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. 727-410-5134.